Díoghuit agus fáilte. In this video we're going to look at 5 random words in the Irish language beginning with the letter E. I'll explain what they mean and give you some sample sentences and phrases that you could use. So let's start with this one, which is éachtaich. Éachtaich means epic or extraordinary. Éachtaich. Duine éachtaich is a miracle worker. Duine éachtaich. Thug sí taispeántas éachtaich. She gave an epic or extraordinary performance. Thug sí taispeántas éachtaich. Next we have édóig, which is unlikely or improbable. Édóig. Is édóig go dtiocfaidh sé anois. It's unlikely that he'll come now. Is édóig go dtiocfaidh sé anois. Next we have éadrom. Éadrom means light, and that's light as in not heavy or not strict. Éadrom, light. Béla éadrom, for example, is a light meal. Béla éadrom. Bhí an bosca anna éadrom. The box was very light. Bhí an bosca anna éadrom. Ní bhór sé ach fínáil éadrom. Ní bhór sé ach fínáil éadrom. He only got a light fine. Our next word is éanacht. Éanacht means at the same time or together. So for example, Teochaidh mé in éanacht leat. I will come with you. Teochaidh mé in éanacht leat. Next we have Olí. Olí is the Irish for a scientist or an expert, but it's probably more commonly known as a scientist. Olí, scientist. Bia Olí would be a food scientist. Bia Olí. Cuire iluant Olí ar. He was a trained scientist. Cuire iluant Olí ar. That brings us to the end of this video. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos just like this, and I will see you soon. Gurv Magad agus slán go fóill.